This will be a demonstration of the Hummy micro-draw blood transfer device to draw a blood sample, arterial blood sample, from a peripheral arterial line catheter through a split septum T-connector attached to the catheter. First, you need to gather the appropriate materials to do the draw, which would be the Hummy micro-draw device itself, a 1 ml self-venting syringe for blood gas, and the appropriate prep material for the split septum T-connector. First, you would prep the T-connector according to your hospital policy, and then clamp the T-connector to prevent fluid flow into the T-connector from the line. Next, you would open the Hummy micro-draw device and inspect for integrity to make sure the sterility cover is intact, the clamps are on the line, the red and blue, and the white vent plugs are in place. Then you would take the Hummy and clamp both the blue and the red clamps onto the line. At that point, you would then take the 1 ml syringe preset to the volume for the blood gas or whatever test you want to take, and attach it to the red sample side like so. At this point, you're ready to do the insertion through the T-connector. You would remove the sterility cover and at a 90-degree angle into the T-connector and insert it fully until it seats inside the catheter hub. Then you would unclamp the waist clamp and allow the blood to fill up to the white vent plug. That gives you the clearance that you need on the catheter. Then reclamp the waist and go to the sample side and unclamp the sample, holding the syringe in a tip down position. Allow the sample to fill to the desired volume, and then reclamp the clamp. Now you can remove the sample and cap it and send it for testing. At this point, you would then remove the Hummy completely from the T-connector and discard it. Then you would come back and re-swab the T-connector and unclamp the clamp to resume normal monitoring. There is no need at this point to flush the catheter, as the pump will flush the catheter out in a matter of a couple minutes.